Welcome to today's daily message. As I mentioned yesterday, each day this week I'll be offering a brief reflection on one of the readings for the liturgy for each day this week. And so the reading that I'm going to reflect on today is also from the book of Ezra, just like yesterday. And the story in this reading has to do with the rebuilding of the temple. The Judeans were defeated by the Babylonians around the year 586 BCE and were taken into exile in Babylon. At the same time, the Babylonians destroyed the temple in Jerusalem. 50 years later, King Cyrus of Persia defeated the Babylonians and allowed the Judeans to return to their home and allowed them to rebuild the temple. So why was the temple so important to the Jewish people? It was important to them for many reasons. But one of them was that they actually believed that God, their God, Yahweh, actually dwelt within the temple. There was a most sacred room in the very heart of the temple called the Shekinah. And there, the Holy of Holies, and there they believed God himself lived. And so no one could ever enter that place, and only the high priest could even come close to it, and then only once a year. So, as I said yesterday, each one of these readings reinforces the point of our faith that God is always with us. The Jewish people don't have their temple. We don't have a temple. But we believe that each one of us is a sacred presence of God. Each one of us is, if you will, a temple. God dwells within each one of us, and God dwells among us. And so, as we think about who we are as human beings, I think it's important for us to remember that God is with us at every moment and that God is inside us. We are a presence of God in the world for ourselves and for each other. Thank you once again for watching and listening, and have a wonderful day.